No,
Where's your country?
Shut
up! Hey, shut up! At least we know who the father is. Yes.
No,
Where's your country?
Shut
up! Hey, shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Where is Zimbabwe? Where is South Africa? We will not only will we come to South Africa, we will dominate your own country. Shut up! We will dominate your own country. We will come to your country and we will outperform you. Imagine in your own country, you're being treated like a dog. Fetch doggy! Fetch doggy! Doggy fetch! Doggy! Imagine you're saying to us, Somali people in our country, yes, we're doing business. We're doing business in South Africa. Cry about it. Wah, wah, wah. And we're taking all the good schools from your South African kids. It goes to the Somali children. Yes, you know why it goes to the Somali children? Because we have better economy than you guys in your own country. In your own country. Don't thank you. Omar Santai, speak Buria. Speak Buria. Come. Come. South Africans come. Zimbabwe come.
You know, I don't even know what to say at this point. I don't want to go low and insult people, but at this point, siyanyelwa because of these so-called politicians, because of these stupid politicians who are always ready to defend illegal foreigners. Let's just be honest. Other African countries don't think that they're African. They will always think that Africans are nothing but slaves and they should be treated as slaves. Look at this young girl from Somalia. So she's saying we are like dogs. We are basically nothing. It's because Abo Musi Maimane or Angie Motshekga, you know, the damage that she did in that department, I'm talking about the basic education, it's such a shame. Our public schools are struggling thanks to Angie Motshekga. President Cyril Ramaphosa decided to put Khwarube and their allegations that they've been chowing billions in that department. They are doing absolutely nothing for black people. There was an allegation that President Cyril Ramaphosa was given 100 million rand by this so-called Somali king. The ANC was broke, but they managed to have a successful event. I'm talking about the January 8th statement. And apparently ANC was given 5 million rand by that so-called king of Somali. Somalians don't respect black people because they believe that they don't look like us, they're different, they're better than us. And we have stupid leaders telling us that, no, you should negotiate with these people. We should love them. Even the Minister of Small Business Development of South Africa, Stella Ndabeni-Abrahams, said they gave these people billions. She was making a presentation there saying we've spent 3.6 something billions. To these people, we've lost the township economy.